Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all to my channel Vibe with Juhi. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about numerology, some Vastu remedies, spirituality, crystal healing tips and some lifestyle tips. So if you all are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever my further video is released. So let's get started. Let's see that what's there in today's video for all of you. So today I'm going to talk about number 4. Let's see that what are the personality traits of people who are born on 4th, 13th, 22nd and 31st of any month. Let's see what are their characteristics, their nature, their temperament, what are their positive traits, their negative traits, and what kind of attitude these people take towards their life and towards others. So if you add 13, 1 plus 3 comes to 4. If you add 22, 2 plus 2 comes to 4. If you add 31, 3 plus 1 again comes to 4. So people who are born on all these states are ruled by number 4. And number 4 is ruled by Rahu. Rahu planet. And Rahu, it is also called as Uranus in English. And it is also called as the North Node. This is a planet which is always in retrograde motion. It always moves in anti-clockwise direction. So the first very basic thing that comes to our mind when we talk about number 4 is that number 4 is a highly organized number. Because you can see that number 4 itself has got 4 letters in it. So you can see how well organized, how systematic this number is. You can compare this number with all other numbers. And after comparing, you can come to a conclusion that number 4 is the highly organized number. And that's the reason people who are ruled by number 4, people who are born on all these dates, they are highly organized. They are the most organized people. Whether it's their personal life or their professional life, whether it's their home or their office, they like to organize things in a very systematic manner. They like order. They don't like disorder in their life. Whether it's their cupboards, their shoe racks, their study table, their computer table, their drawers, their lockers, their office, they like to keep everything in a systematic order in their respective places. And they don't like people touching their things or belongings without their permission because they are very disciplined people. They like to behave in an ethical manner always. And they like people who follow ethics, people who have got high morals, high values. And they are very possessive about their things. They don't like people touching their things, touching their belongings or placing them in an improper order because they are very systematic people and they are really good with routine. For example, if these people are asked to report sharp 7 a.m. in the morning, they'll report at sharp 7 a.m. or even before that. So that shows their discipline, their dedication towards their work. And they are really punctual individuals. They have that punctuality inside them. And most of the people look up to number 4. They learn discipline from them. And these people have got certain set of rules and regulations in their life. And the same thing they expect from others to follow. And they don't like people who don't follow discipline, people who are not disciplined, who are not good with routine, or who don't follow certain rules and regulations. They don't like such people because they're really disciplined. And this is a number of hard work, struggle, strong willpower, determination and discipline. These people are really hardworking. They really work hard towards achieving their goals, towards accomplishing their goals. Because to number 4, accomplishments are everything. Results are everything to them. They don't give importance to public recognition, public rewards, or name, fame, or reputation. They give importance to results. Results are the utmost important thing for number 4. And that's the reason no matter how much problems they have to face, how much obstacles they have to go through, they achieve success. They climb the ladder of success no matter what, irrespective of the situations, irrespective of the circumstances. Because they are very bold, they have that courageous personality. They don't give up until it's over. They don't give up till the end. They are the creator of their own destiny. They believe in making efforts. They believe in creating their own destiny. And they have that much strong willpower and determination. They have that stubbornness to achieve their goals. They are very stubborn. They have a very strong grit and determination towards achieving their goals. They have that trait of moving the mountains. They have that much ability, and it's a wonderful quality that number 4 possesses in them. Because as I said, that number 4 is a number of struggle as well. So these people have to really work hard towards achieving their goal, because they have to struggle and fight for everything, even for the small thing if they want in their life. So they have to struggle a lot. They have to face a lot of hardships. They have to see a lot of ups and downs in their life, even to achieve the smallest thing in their life, whether it's their personal life or their professional life, their career life. No matter what, they achieve their goals. They do climb the ladder of success, and they're not satisfied until they reach at a top level position. And that's a good quality that these people possess in them. And number 4 is a very responsible number. They take on great responsibilities. As I said, that this number is a number of hard work and struggle. So since their childhood, they have seen a lot in their life, and that's the reason responsibility comes to them naturally. This is an inbuilt trait, you can say, the responsibility. So they take on great responsibilities, and they are very matured. Whatever work is given to them, whatever task will be given to them, they will complete that task or work with complete dedication, even before the deadline. They will do their best to achieve their goals. No matter how difficult the task is, how difficult the work is, they will achieve it, no matter what. Others may give up. People within their team may give up, but they don't give up. And they are very responsible. They are accountable individuals, and they are very trustworthy, very loyal, very honest. These are the people whom you can rely on for everything. You can depend on these people. Very dependable individuals, number 4 people are. So if you want to share something with them, you can definitely go ahead and share with them. If you have any problem in any area of your life, whether it comes to your personal life or your professional life, so if your team leader is number 4, you can definitely approach them without any hesitation. You can share your any problem with them. They will understand you, and they will never share your secrets with anybody else, because they are the person whom you can trust with everything, whom you can rely on for everything. And number 4 is a very logical and practical number too. They apply logic in everything they do, whether it's their work or their personal life. Sometimes their logicality do affect their personal lives, because when it comes to personal life, they are not too good with emotions. They are serious people, because as I said, this is a number of hard work and struggle, and these people have seen a lot since their childhood. So that's the reason they become too serious in their life, and sometimes they are too confused and conflicted in their life. They struggle with their own emotions. They battle with their own self, and that makes them a very serious person too. And sometimes this affects their personal life. But when it comes to their professional life, their job, or if they are into some kind of business, then they have a very logical and practical mindset. They have a very practical attitude towards life. They know how to deal with particular client, a particular person within their team, within their organization, in a very efficient manner, I would say, in a very systematic manner. As I said, they are very systematic people, and they have a very beautiful way of handling things. They handle things in a matured manner, whether it's a situation or a person. They will handle them both in a very matured manner. They are very matured people, very sensible people, and they don't like people who act kiddish or immature all the times. They don't like immaturity. They don't like immature people, because they are serious people. They have that seriousness towards life, and these people are really short-tempered too. So they tend to lose their temperament whenever they get the bad vibes or negative energies from the other person, and whenever other person don't follow certain rules and regulations, and people who are not disciplined, who are not good with routine, who are not punctual, then that makes them really short-tempered person. During that particular time, these people tend to lose their temperament. Otherwise, they are good people. They are very serious and very obedient. And these people are not too good with imagination. They are not visionary people, but they do pay attention to details. They have that eye to detail. If you come up with a large project and you show them your presentation, they won't get impressed by your fascinating presentation, by your facts. They will do their own analysis, and they will observe. they will check the minute details. They will check even the small details, and they'll conclude on a particular topic. That much detailed work they are into, and they are the perfectionist people. They try to maintain perfection in everything they do. As I said, they like to maintain things in a very systematic order. So they like perfection in their home, and they like perfection in their office too. So I think I have covered almost many points of number 4, many personality traits of number 4. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want to know more about numerology, you need some Vastu remedies, you need some crystal healing tips, some lifestyle tips, some spiritual tips, then don't forget to share, like or subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever my further video is released. Also, if you want to have an in-detailed reading with respect to tarot cards, numerology, Vastu, need some crystal healing tips, or if you would like to place an order for any crystal, you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. Links for the same I have mentioned in my description box, so you can just go and check it out there. So thank you so much for watching my video.